Welcome to Jalapeno Johnny's, what I think and what I run. Delivering the most unasked content at your benefit or your mercy. You didn't ask for it, so of course I delivered. Stay tuned. So today I want to go over my everyday carry. This is what I carry on person every day. There's a couple different ways that I do this, and I'll show you. So let me show you first. I carry Glock 19, no light right now. If you saw my last video, you know the story. Spare mag, because why not? And I have a Tracer Tactical D.U.F.F, which is like a fanny pack, but it's called a D.U.F.F, which is, I don't know, I'll write it up here, what it means. So when you go to unzip this, I've got a Project Dawn kit. So Project Dawn, they hand out free naloxone. It's Narcan. If you haven't been affected by the actual pandemic going on, which is drug overdoses in this country, you should probably get on board. It kills more people than pretty much anything else out there right now. 2 hits of that, comes with the face mask for CPR, obviously, kind of obvious. Some instructions. Oh, this is a little pamphlet on it, which is a resource guide, and all the info on the naloxone. I personally carry Bayer aspirin because I'm CPR trained, and so that's something that I carry personally. If you know anything about Bayer, it's a life-saving drug for, I don't want to say cardiac arrest, but more like heart attacks. You can get in depth on that, but get some training, some basic CPR training is great. The other thing I carry, this is my bleeding medical kit. Sharpies. The Sharpies are for the TQs here. I carry 2 tourniquets. If I carry 2 mags, I should probably carry 2 tourniquets. Doesn't take up that much room, like I said. This goes right in this duff. So, Cat 7 tourniquet, Cat 7 tourniquet, hyphen chest seals, twin pack. So this is all banded, just some Ranger bands, just so I can keep it together. Chest seals, nasal, airway. So quick clot, combat gauze with quick clot. Some scissors. These are just the cheap scissors that come with it. This all comes out of a Live the Creed IFAK. So I pulled it out of there, Ranger banded together so I can just have it with me all the time. Because with the extra large nitrile gloves, these are medical grade. If you get regular Home Depot grade, they're more porous, less porous. So there's actually holes in there, and micro holes. If you're painting or something, or picking up dog crap, nothing's gonna get on your hands, but blood and bacteria and stuff can seep through those. So medical grade, and then compression bandage. Now this is just something small to keep on me. More likely to use a medical kit than that spare mag. And that's all I want to share with you. Just get it out there, because people were asking, where to start, where to begin. And that's where, let me continue. Got a watch. This is a Citizen watch, no batteries at all. I've had it for 12 years now. My daughter bought me this bracelet, wallet, Phone's over there. If I'm not rocking this, all this stuff you see here, let's get Ranger Band back together, gets dropped in here, because you don't, if I'm wearing shorts or something, not when I'm shorts, but if I'm looking athletic, because you really got to look the part to play the part. Everything goes in this bag, goes on my back. Not everyone's going to know that this is a free tier 1 concealed bag. If you're really worried about the gray man theory, then get a little Nike drawstring bag if you love China, or whatever else, you know, just these simple little drawstring bags, and you just look like you're playing the part, because everybody has these, everyone's wearing them. I might be a little too old for a drawstring bag, but the kids love them. So that's all I got for you. Go ahead, follow me on the gram at NEO_shooting. You can also follow me right here on the channel. Don't know where else you'd follow me. Just don't follow me home. Thanks for watching, guys. That was easily the most boring video that could save your life or someone else's. Get some training. There's lots of guys that do medical training. Get some medical kits. Get more than enough. 1 is none, 2 is 1. So keep it on you all times. Keep sucking till you stop sucking. Jalapeno Johnny. God bless.